Got the whole pool to ourselves. Just like that, pool is empty, but it's starting to rain. But we enjoyed a nice hour of it. No lifeguard on duty. Yeah, but welcome back to another vlog. Hey, the sun's back out. Forgot a towel in the pool, but there is one there. I'm not gonna use that though. That concludes our time at the pool. How do you open this? There's no door handle. Push to exit might help. Check it out, guys, in the green room. Yeah, just a room that's green. Got TV. Oh, I think we're going the wrong way. It says display only. We're going that way. Oh, great. Oh, do it. Nathan's back in the daily vlogs.
Nate Dog Apocalypse coming in.
Nate Dog Apocalypse.
Got a new car.
Wardrobe change. Switching it up. With like an 80s rocker. I look like Borat. There goes the train. They even got license plates on the back of the numbers.
That's 3 of them.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Dakota and Florida.
There you go.
That's pretty awesome. Operations complete.
Oh, operation complete.
Operation.
Operation. Only real ones know where it's from.
Operation complete. Operation.
Gatorade bottle still there. Surviving.